Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fully jailbreak Amazon Fire Stick. So, let's begin. First that we need to do is find and select find. Then, search for an app called Downloader and install it. This is a free app from Amazon App Store that will let you download other apps. And after that, we need to adjust some settings. Click the home button on your remote and go to Fire Stick Settings Gear. It is at the top right. Then, go to My Fire TV and scroll down to Developer Options. Turn ADB debugging on and then click Install Unknown Apps. This will allow you to jailbreak your device. The downloader will show up in a list and press OK button, then turn it on. And that is how to jailbreak Amazon Fire Stick. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.